10 Best Travel Destinations for First-Time Travelers. Traveling for the first time is a life-changing experience. It's exciting, emotional, and sometimes a little scary. You want a destination that is safe, easy to explore, affordable, and full of unforgettable experiences. The best places for first-time travelers offer good public transport, friendly locals, delicious food, and a mix of culture and adventure. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. 1. Paris, France. Paris is often called the City of Light, and for first-time travelers, it truly shines as one of the most magical places on Earth. The city blends romance, art, history, fashion, and world-famous cuisine into one unforgettable experience. Walking through Paris feels like stepping into a movie scene. The elegant streets, charming cafes, river views, and iconic landmarks make it visually stunning and culturally rich. First-time travelers will appreciate how organized and tourist-friendly the city is. Public transportation is efficient, signs are clear, and major attractions are close to each other. From exploring centuries-old cathedrals to enjoying fresh croissants at a corner bakery, Paris offers experiences that are both exciting and comfortable. It's a place where you can explore at your own pace without feeling overwhelmed. Must-see attractions include the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. Whether you're visiting museums, shopping along stylish boulevards, or simply relaxing near the river, Paris delivers a perfect introduction to international travel. The city is safe for tourists and easy to navigate. English is widely understood in tourist areas, making communication simple. 2. Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo is a fascinating mix of futuristic technology and deep-rooted traditions. For first-time travelers, it offers safety, cleanliness, and one of the most efficient transportation systems in the world. The city feels advanced yet welcoming. Neon-lit skyscrapers stand beside peaceful temples, creating a unique balance between modern and ancient. Visitors are often amazed by how organized everything is, from train schedules to pedestrian crossings. Despite being one of the largest cities in the world, Tokyo rarely feels chaotic. The respect and politeness of locals make travelers feel comfortable and secure. Food lovers will also find Tokyo exciting, as it offers everything from affordable street food to high-end sushi experiences. The cultural differences make it an eye-opening destination, yet the city's structure makes it easy to explore. Top places include Shibuya Crossing, Senso-ji, and Tokyo Skytree. The train system is extremely reliable, and crime rates are very low, making Tokyo one of the safest big cities for new travelers. 3. Rome, Italy. Rome is like walking through a living history book. For first-time travelers, it offers a powerful combination of ancient ruins, artistic masterpieces, and mouth-watering cuisine. Every street corner reveals a story from thousands of years ago. The city's charm lies in its balance between historical landmarks and everyday Italian life. You can explore world-famous monuments during the day and enjoy authentic pasta in cozy restaurants at night. The compact historic center makes it easier for beginners to explore without long travel times. Rome is visually dramatic and culturally immersive, offering first-timers a deep connection to European history. Don't miss the Colosseum, Vatican City, and Trevi Fountain. English is widely spoken in tourist areas, and most major attractions are within walking distance. 4. Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok is vibrant, affordable, and full of energy. It's a great first destination for travelers who want something culturally different yet budget-friendly. The city offers colorful markets, golden temples, rooftop views, and lively street food scenes. Despite its busy reputation, Bangkok has a well-developed tourism system, making it easy for newcomers. Hotels are affordable, transportation is cheap, and locals are friendly. The mix of tradition and modern city life creates a balanced experience for beginners. Visit Grand Palace, Wat Arun, and explore floating markets. Tuk-tuks and the BTS SkyTrain make transportation simple and affordable. 5. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona offers beaches, architecture, nightlife, and rich culture in one city. For first-time travelers, it provides a relaxed yet exciting European experience. The city is walkable, safe, and filled with stunning design. From sunny coastlines to artistic neighborhoods, Barcelona has variety without being overwhelming. Its vibrant atmosphere makes it perfect for beginners. See Sagrada Familia, walk along La Rambla, and relax at Barceloneta Beach. Public transport is efficient and easy to understand. 6. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Dubai is modern, luxurious, and incredibly organized. It's ideal for first-time travelers who want comfort and world-class attractions. The city offers futuristic architecture, desert adventures, shopping malls, and clean public spaces. English is widely spoken, making communication easy. Visit Burj Khalifa, shop at Dubai Mall, and enjoy a desert safari. The metro is clean, safe, and efficient. 7. Singapore. Singapore is extremely clean, safe, and easy to explore. For first-time travelers, it offers a stress-free experience with excellent public transportation and clear English signage. The city blends cultures beautifully and offers amazing food from different traditions. See Marina Bay Sands and Gardens by the Bay. The MRT system connects the entire city efficiently. 8. London, United Kingdom. London is diverse, historic, and beginner-friendly. Language is not a barrier for English speakers, and the city is filled with iconic landmarks. It's a great first European destination with organized transportation and clear signage. Visit Big Ben, Tower of London, and Buckingham Palace. The underground makes travel simple. 9. Sydney, Australia. Sydney combines city life with natural beauty. For first-time travelers, it offers beaches, iconic landmarks, and friendly locals. The relaxed lifestyle makes it comfortable for beginners. See the Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge. Public transport is reliable and easy to use. 10. New York City, United States. New York City is energetic, iconic, and unforgettable. For first-time travelers, it offers diversity, entertainment, and world-famous landmarks. The grid system makes navigation easier than expected. Visit Statue of Liberty, Central Park, and Times Square. Subways operate 24/7, making exploration convenient. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.